Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and charging the Studio 3s because active noise canceling needs full battery to perform reliably. Once done, power them on and pair to your phone so settings are accessible. Make sure the Bluetooth connection is stable. You then adjust cushions and ear position to create a tight seal. This passive isolation greatly improves ANC effectiveness. While you do that, open the Beats or device audio settings so you can toggle noise canceling and monitor changes in real time. Once paired, enable ANC in the Beats app or your device audio menu and listen for the immediate reduction in background noise. If a firmware update is offered, install it. Updates often refine ANC algorithms. Make small EQ adjustments. Sometimes cutting low frequencies helps perceived cancellation. Then test with street noise, fan hum, and voices to identify weak spots. If you notice inconsistent cancellation, reposition the cups and retry. Make sure the app shows the headset as connected while you tweak settings. To finish, verify ANC remains active after a restart, and when switching playback sources, consistency confirms settings saved. If cancellation falters, perform a factory reset and repair. This clears corrupted profiles that hinder ANC. Make sure firmware and phone OS are current because mismatches can cause audio issues. If problems persist, fully charge both case and headphones, reinstall the app. Then test again before contacting support. This single troubleshooting sequence resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.